What most people do is they fire off a question and then they just blank out and they're thinking about what's the next question that I need to ask. I just
Right.
learned this brand new script here, right? And I haven't really internalized and I haven't really memorized it and practiced it. So I'm literally just worried about what's the next thing that I'm supposed to say instead of actually listening to understand. Because a lot of times when you get into a good conversation with somebody about real estate, you may have 5 or 6 questions, the pre-qualifying questions that you want to ask: time frame, motivation, do they have a home to sell, how are they planning on making this purchase, things of that sort. And a lot of times what will happen is you'll ask one question and the lead may actually answer another question in their response. And then you, sounding like a complete amateur, then turn right around and ask them the same question that they've literally just answered.
Or you ask them a question that's totally unrelated to what they just stated, right?
Yeah, exactly.